Are you ready to transform your front door into a spooky masterpiece this Halloween? What if I told you that you can make your home stand out on the block with just a few clever DIY tricks? Whether you're aiming for eerie elegance or a creepy haunted house vibe, I've got the perfect ideas for you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the inspiration and tips you need to create a jaw-dropping Halloween door decoration. What are the top must-have elements for a standout Halloween door decoration? A standout Halloween door decoration sets the tone for your house, welcoming trick-or-treaters and guests alike. What are the key elements that make it pop? Let's explore the essentials you'll need for a truly spooky entryway. Creepy wreaths. Wreaths are not just for Christmas. Go for a black or purple wreath adorned with spiders, bats, or fake cobwebs. You can also add LED lights to give it a haunting glow. Eerie door coverings. Consider a door cover that sets a chilling mood, like a faux wood haunted house design, or even a ghostly face. These easy-to-apply covers are instant game changers. Spooky lighting. Lighting is crucial for creating the perfect atmosphere. Use string lights, lanterns, or flickering battery-operated candles to illuminate your doorway, enhancing that haunted feel. If you're excited to take your Halloween decor to the next level, be sure to like this video for more spooky ideas. What DIY ideas can make your door decor unique and budget-friendly? Who says you need to break the bank to create an impressive Halloween door decoration? With a little creativity, you can craft something truly unique without overspending. DIY monster door. Create a monster face using simple materials like construction paper or cardboard for eyes and teeth. Add some googly eyes and voila, your door becomes a monster ready to scare. Spiderweb mania. Stretch fake cobwebs across your door and add plastic spiders for a creepy crawly effect. It's a simple yet effective way to up the fright factor. Old sheet ghosts. Drape an old white sheet over a balloon or foam head, then hang it over your door for a floating ghost effect. Quick, spooky DIY that will grab attention instantly. Got any unique Halloween decor ideas of your own? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're crafting this year. How can I add a theme to my Halloween door decor for maximum impact? Choosing a theme for your Halloween door decoration can bring cohesion to your design and make it extra impactful. Whether you're going for scary, whimsical, or classic, a theme can tie everything together. Haunted house. This theme works great with faux cobwebs, a creepy door knocker, and eerie lighting. Add a fog machine nearby for that extra haunted vibe. Witch's Lair. Use broomsticks, witch hats, and cauldrons. You can also hang witch silhouettes or decals to make it seem like witches are guarding your door. Pumpkin patch. If you're aiming for a more family-friendly harvest vibe, stack pumpkins of different shapes and sizes. Incorporate scarecrows, hay bales, and some autumn leaves for a warm, spooky look. Want to see more Halloween decor ideas like this? Check out my playlist in the description for similar videos. What are some high-tech additions to make Halloween door decor interactive? In today's digital age, you can add an extra layer of excitement to your Halloween door with some simple tech upgrades. Let's explore how to make your decorations interactive. Motion sensor props. Install motion-activated sound effects like cackling witches or spooky ghost sounds that go off as trick-or-treaters approach. Smart lights. Use smart bulbs that change color with a voice command or through an app. Set them to flicker or shift between eerie green and purple hues for maximum effect. Projection effects. You can now buy inexpensive projectors that display floating ghosts or bats on your door or house. This adds a cinematic quality to your Halloween display. Want more ideas on how to use tech in your decorations? Check out the description for similar videos and get inspired. How can you involve your kids in decorating your Halloween door? Decorating for Halloween is even more fun when the whole family gets involved. Here are some simple ways to get your kids excited and hands-on with decorating the front door. Handprint monsters. Have your kids dip their hands in washable paint and create handprint monsters on large sheets of paper. Cut them out and arrange them on the door for a personalized, spooky display full of fun. Pumpkin faces. Let your kids create different jack-o'-lantern faces using construction paper. They can cut out eyes, noses, and mouths, and then you can tape them to orange door cutouts or actual pumpkins for a cute and easy door decoration. DIY trick-or-treat sign. Have the kids help make a trick-or-treat sign for the door. They can decorate it with stickers, glitter, and spooky drawings. Not only is it a fun craft activity, but it also lets trick-or-treaters know you're ready for them. If you're excited to get the whole family involved, be sure to share this video with other parents looking for fun and easy Halloween decorating ideas. What are some advanced Halloween decorations for enthusiasts? Introduction. Answer. If you're Halloween enthusiast looking to take your decor to the next level, these advanced decorations will definitely impress your visitors. Automated props, tin animatronic decorations, jumping spiders, talking skeletons, or moving witches. These will startle anyone who dares to approach. Set up motion sensors so that these props activate when someone walks by, adding an element of surprise. Synchronize the props with sound effects for a more immersive experience. Haunted house facade. Transform the exterior of your home into a haunted mansion using plywood, foam, and paint. Create boarded-up windows, crumbling walls, or Enid doorways. Use projection mapping to add ghosts or other spooky scenes to your house, making it look like the spit are coming from within. Add creepy, atmospheric music and sound effects to heighten the haunted house vibe. DI Gravedigger Scene. Create a life-size figure of a gravedigger using an old mannequin or wireframe. Dress it in tattered clothes and place it next to a freshly dug grave. Use a shovel and some loose dirt to make it look like the grave sligger is hard at work. Enhance the scene with a fog machine and dim lighting to make it truly eerie. Want to see these advanced decorations in action? Check out the description for links to And there you have it. Everything you need to transform your front door into a Halloween masterpiece. Whether you're crafting your decorations from scratch or going high-tech, these tips will ensure your home is the spookiest on the block. Ready to start decorating? Let me know which idea you're most excited to try in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you love these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow Halloween lovers. See you in the next one.